Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to turn on auto scroll on TikTok. Auto scroll is a feature that allows TikTok videos to play continuously without manual swiping. This makes binge watching more convenient and provides a smoother viewing experience. To enable auto scroll, start by opening the TikTok app. Long press on any video in your feed. From the menu, look for the option called Auto Scroll. Toggle it on to enable the feature. Let's see how it works. As you can see, auto scroll has been successfully enabled. Once enabled, TikTok will automatically move to the next video after the current one finishes. This creates a more seamless viewing experience. If you do not see the auto scroll option, make sure your app is updated. The feature may also not be available for all accounts yet, and that's it. You've learned how to enable auto scroll for continuous video playback on TikTok. You also know what to do if the option is not available. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelftStack tutorial videos.